about the changes then here.
The live radar, Eric, across the studio. It looks like you got quite a few things on there.
Some of those same towns like Swansea that had the storms yesterday, getting them again out there this evening. Hubbardston area had some storm damage yesterday. Another one moving its way on in. We've had a couple of different areas to watch today. Earlier on, it's the sea breeze that popped up all these thunderstorms around Boston and areas just off to the south. This is more organized thunderstorm activity that's moving out of western Massachusetts and into some of those same spots we were just talking about. Rain is starting to weaken a little bit here in southwestern New Hampshire around Rindge and Jaffrey and Peterborough. Still some rumbles, still some tropical rain coming down. The real heavy stuff is in Athol and down toward Petersham and moving its way across Route 2 over toward Gardner and Barry, Winchendon. This should hold together as it moves its way off toward the east. So timing it out into Winchendon at 6:20, Gardner by about 6:25, Fitchburg by 6:46. There are also a few downpours developing out ahead of it, so that's the timing for the main line. Could still get something before that arrives. We still have some of those downpours that continue around the Canton area. We've seen some heavy rainfall. Doesn't want to let up, reaching back toward Walpole. This is slowly drifting off toward the north and east. It's heading back over toward the expressway. So there'll be some street flooding out there, some slow travel for sure, and some more downpours around Leominster and Clinton, heading down toward the northern sections of Worcester. It's just going to be a very unsettled, stormy night. The place that stays dry, the south coast, Cape Cod, the islands. Essentially, if you're south of Foxborough, you're not going to be seeing any rain out of this over the next few hours. Temperatures are generally in the 80s. The dew points are extremely high, well into the 70s. Another steamy night. We won't be able to cool off. We'll stay in the 70s, and there's still a chance for scattered showers and storms even after sunset tonight as another little impulse moves across the area. Chance for some more overnight rain, so make sure the windows are up in the car before you head to bed. Now, we haven't gone below 70 degrees in Boston since the early morning hours of August 1st. Probably not going to happen until Saturday morning. We've got a ways to go. So we look at our hour by hour. So these showers and storms throughout the overnight, some moving in from the west. And so don't be surprised to hear some of that rain on the rooftops in the middle of the night. Tomorrow morning, we start off with some cloud cover, steamy conditions, and a cold front will be moving through the area. I think the best chance of rain or some storms tomorrow will be right near the coastline and into southeastern Massachusetts up until about mid-afternoon. We'll be drying out as we head toward evening commute time. So the morning starts in the 70s. Best chance of some early morning rainfall right near the coast or in southeastern Massachusetts. I think as we head toward the early afternoon, the best chance of a storm is toward Cape Cod and the islands, as well as the south coast. And then we'll dry out region-wide as we head toward the evening. Another very warm day. Temperatures are in the 80s to around 90 degrees. The dew points will still be in the 70s. It's another very steamy one. Best chance for a storm in Foxborough would be during the tailgating part of the afternoon tomorrow, and then we dry out. Looks like 80s at kickoff, 70s by the fourth quarter. And we do get some dew point relief here on Friday. It's not exactly a blast of Arctic air, but dew points in the lower to middle 60s are actually going to feel, I think, pretty good as we end out the week. Then Saturday into Sunday, we're watching a stalled weak front that's going to be near the south coast. Right now, it looks like the best chance of rain would be Saturday, and especially near the south coast. I'm thinking lower odds of rain on Sunday, and that high pressure is going to win out. It'll also be cooler this weekend. Lower 80s for highs, 70s at the coastline. We'll see an onshore breeze. Again, I think the highest rain odds are south of the Pike on Saturday for this upcoming weekend. And here's a look at your 7-day, and we keep that more seasonable air around into the start of next week. A chance for some more significant rain Tuesday into Wednesday.